Dear students, I hope you remember this photograph and also this one. These may be your classmates, and if not, maybe these. This is your school. And now this is time for us to welcome you all once again to the new session 2021-2022. Now in this new session, the time has changed. For the last almost about 2 years, the whole world is under a lock. We can say that the world is temporarily closed, and our behavior and has also seen a change. Now every one of us has to wear a mask. We have to keep social distancing of almost about 2 meters. We have to frequently wash our hands, and of course if we are more than 18 years of age, we have to vaccinate. This is all due to the pandemic, and this pandemic has affected the whole world, and we have seen so many people have died due to this pandemic. Many of them needed medicine, but the medicines were not available. Many of them needed more oxygen, but the oxygen supplies were not there, right? So because of this pandemic, we are now very cautious. I hope that you all are fit and healthy. Now for prevention of this COVID-19, protect yourself and your family. If you are more than 18, or if the family members are more than at 18, you have to get vaccinated. Now for COVID-19 prevention, we have to wash our hands. If we have to cough in your kerchief, or you have to keep your mouth closed with your elbow. Wear mask and avoid human contact and keep social distancing of about 2 meters. Stay safe, follow COVID-19 guidelines. Now, I cannot say welcome back to school because you are not physically coming to school. But what I can tell you, welcome to online education. It is the e-learning where the school has come to your home. So this is the way in which the education has adapted to this pandemic. Earlier what used to happen, you all the students used to come, the teachers used to come, and they used to gather physically at a place where there were classrooms, where there were library, there were playgrounds, right? And there was good amount of activity. Now what is happening, because of the pandemic we cannot go out. We have to keep social distancing, we have to prevent COVID-19 from spreading, we have to contain the chain, and therefore we have to learn online. So I welcome you all to online education e-learning, in which the school comes to your home, right? So now, as I will be taking the science, I will be guiding you in the science subject. The science textbook for the new session 21-22 is this NCERT book, which you are familiar with, and I hope that most of you would have bought this book. If you have not bought, अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं खरीदी है, तो आप जो स्टेशनरी की और बुक शॉप्स अब खुलने लग गई हैं, तो आप इस बुक को ले सकते हैं, बुक सेट को ले सकते हैं. इट इज़ ईजिली अवेलेबल. एनसीईआरटी की बुक है, हर जगह आपको ईजिली अवेलेबल है, मिल जाएगी आप. स्टूडेंट्स, let us take a look at the curriculum or the course for the academic year 2021-22 for science. Now the first 4 chapter, matter in our surroundings, is matter around us pure, atoms and molecules, structure of atom. These 4 chapters are from chemistry. Now the 5th chapter, the fundamental unit of life. 6th chapter, tissues. Chapter 7, diversity in living organisms. Chapter 13, why do we fall ill. Chapter 14, natural resources. Chapter 15, improvement in food resources. These are from the life sciences or biology. And the chapter 8, motion. Chapter 9 force and laws of motion. Chapter 10 gravitation. Chapter 11 work, power and energy. And chapter 12, that is sound. These chapters are from the physics, right? So you have 15 chapters, and these chapters we will learn in a way in which you will understand the maximum part of these chapters. And if you have any query, I am always available to you. Now it's time to start afresh, as I have welcomed you to this online session. So always a new beginning, a fresh beginning, we start with fresh energy. So now once again it's time to start afresh with lots of energy, lots of motivation, right? With zeal for learning. Now the first chapter which we are going to start is matter in our surrounding. And as I have just told you that this chapter is from chemistry, right? So chemistry, the first chapter, that is matter in our surrounding. Let us take a overview of this chapter, right? So preview of this chapter, what are the main topics which we are going to learn in this chapter? First we are going to learn what is matter. We have to define matter, and we will learn about the characteristics of matter. Now the states of matter. Matter basically is found in 3 states of matter. There are 5 states of matter, but the 2 states of matter which we are not going to talk in detail, that is plasma and BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate, that is very rarely found, right? So we are going to discuss about the states of matter which are very routinely found, which are almost around us, very you can say almost you can see every that means these 3 states of matter, they are very commonly found around us. These are solid, liquid and gases. So we are going to discuss about the states of matter. Then we are going to discuss about the effect of temperature and pressure on states of matter and how they get interchanged, right? And we are going to discuss about the phenomenon of diffusion, the factors which affect the phenomenon of diffusion and its applications. And last but not the least, we are going to discuss about evaporation, the rate of evaporation, the factors which affect the rate of evaporation and the effect of evaporation. So these are the main topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter, right? Now when we say matter in our surrounding, the first thing which comes is what is matter. What is matter? So matter is everything around us that has mass and takes up space. Matter can be solid, liquid or gas, like rocks, living things, water and air are all examples of matter. That means everything which we can smell, taste and touch is matter, right? So matter basically, if anything has to be matter, it should satisfy 2 conditions. What is the first condition? It should have some mass, and second condition, it should take some space. That means it should have some volume. If anything satisfies these 2 conditions, we say that it is part of matter, right? We are going to discuss this in detail. Now the whole universe, universe मतलब क्या होता है? ब्रह्मांड, है ना? पूरा ब्रह्मांड, हमारी अर्थ है, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. सोलर सिस्टम में सन और हमारी अर्थ और उसके जो क्या है, सैटेलाइट्स है. फिर हमारा जो सोलर सिस्टम है, इट इज पार्ट ऑफ अ गैलेक्सी विच इज नोन एज द मिल्की वे. नाउ दिस गैलेक्सी इज पार्ट ऑफ still bigger system which is known as the universe. Universe has millions and billions of galaxies, right? So everything in this universe is composed of just 2 things. पूरा जो ब्रह्मांड है, पूरा जो यूनिवर्स है, वो सिर्फ 2 चीजों से मिलके बना हुआ है. Now what are these 2 things? These 2 things are matter and energy. Matter and energy, सिर्फ 2 ही चीजों से. Now we observe energy through its effect on matter. Now there is a cycle. Energy changes into matter and matter changes into energy. This is a cyclic process जो आप आगे के classes में पढ़ेंगे, right? So matter basically is anything which has mass and volume. Now what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter contained in an object or a substance. Mass is measured in grams or kilograms. Now what is volume? Volume is the space which is occupied by a substance or an object, and volume is measured in centimeter cube or meter cube, right? So I hope that in the coming lectures we are going to interact with each other more and more, and I hope that you are going to understand. And if there is any query, you can always address it to me. Thanks for watching.